The Great Tool Revolution, Battery versus Electric. Did you know that the sales of battery-powered tools have soared by over 250% in the past decade? That's right, these nifty devices are flying off the shelves, revolutionizing how both professionals and DIY enthusiasts tackle their projects. This explosive growth signals a massive shift in how we power our tools. It's not just a trend, it's a revolution. So, buckle up as we dive into the world of battery and electric tools, discovering which truly deserves a spot in your toolbox. Welcome to the Great Tool Revolution. At the heart of this movement lies the question, battery or electric? Understanding these tools' differences is crucial for anyone looking to optimize their toolkit. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a weekend warrior, choosing the right tool can drastically impact your efficiency and satisfaction with any project. Battery-powered tools offer unmatched mobility and convenience. Imagine no cords to trip over or power outlets to hunt for. But let's not dismiss electric tools too quickly. They have a reputation for delivering consistent, unyielding power and are often the workhorses behind extensive projects. This revolution isn't just about technology, it's about empowerment. Knowing when to choose which type of tool can save time, energy, and money. Resources everyone could use more of. For many consumers, deciding between battery and electric tools can be downright daunting. The questions of performance, convenience, and cost are at the forefront. Are battery tools able to match the sheer power traditional electric tools? While electric tools promise perpetual power, battery tools are catching up, providing competitive torque and runtime that get the job done without needing to be tethered to the wall. Convenience is where battery tools shine. No cords mean you can work anywhere, whether atop a rooftop or deep in your garden. However, they aren't limitless. Battery life and charging times are factors to consider. Electric tools, with their plug-and-go nature, eliminate this issue but come with their own logistical challenges. Cost is another critical element. Generally, battery tools require a higher initial investment, particularly if you wish to purchase additional batteries. But consider this, what is the price of convenience and flexibility? Electric tools may have a lower upfront cost, but they bind you to the nearest outlet and can limit your movement. Let's take a moment to explore a turning point that altered the tool landscape, the advent of lithium-ion batteries. This breakthrough swayed the market, breathing new life into battery-powered tools. These powerful, rechargeable cells offer extended runtimes and reduced weight, vastly improving tool ergonomics and usability. Innovations like these illustrate the rapid evolution within the tool market and highlight why staying informed is key. Battery performance today rivals electric solutions in many respects. From drill drivers to lawnmowers, these once bulky units are now lean, mean working machines. Major manufacturers continuously innovate, offering features like faster charging and smarter battery management systems that optimize power. So, what's the best approach when choosing tools? It boils down to personal needs and preferences. If your work requires sustained power without interruption, electric tools might be your ally. But if flexibility and portability are paramount, investing in a high-quality battery system could be your best bet. Consider the scope of your projects. Are you frequently moving around your workspace or working in locations far from electrical outlets? In these cases, battery tools can offer a seamless experience. Alternatively, for heavy-duty, stationary tasks, the enduring power supply of an electric tool could serve you better. Think about the long term. A thoughtfully selected tool collection can evolve with your projects, ensuring you're always equipped for the task at hand. As we wrap up, we hope this has shed light on the exciting developments in the tool industry and helped clarify your choices. Ultimately, the right tool is the one that meets your unique requirements. We invite you to share your own experiences and insights in the comments. Let's learn from each other and build a community of informed tool users. Be sure to check out our next video, where we'll delve into the latest tool tech shaping tomorrow's workshops. Stay curious, keep innovating, and remember, the revolution is in your hands. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.